Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to open up my October Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will help you to select 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so a couple weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped, you should get an email with about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want to include them in your box or not. So for this box, I did choose 2 of the items that are in here, and then my stylist went back in and chose 3 more items to put into this box. So we're going to get into my box to see what I got for this month. Right on top is my prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're also going to see a white envelope, and inside this white envelope is going to be your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 62 for me. And then the second thing in the white envelope is your styling card that says, "Oh, hello." And so this is going to be a note from your stylist, but it's also going to give you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. So I'm going to read my note real quick. I'm thrilled to present you with your 60-second fix. Inside this box, you will discover versatile options that will enhance and expand your wardrobe. I have carefully chosen key pieces that can be mixed and matched with ease, allowing you to create numerous stylish outfits. You will find items that perfectly complement your existing favorites, making it effortless to build a cohesive wardrobe. Additionally, I have included pieces that can be effortlessly swapped and mixed, allowing for endless outfit possibilities. This not only maximizes your closet space, but also ensures that each item gets the love that it deserves. I would love to hear your thoughts on these items, and if there is anything specific your wardrobe may be missing. Feel free to leave any requests or feedback in the comments section during checkout. Cheers, Tara. And so we're going to start with the shoes first. I did choose these for my fix preview. They are by Mia, the Mable, Ruffle, Bootie, and Dark Gray. And so I was looking for some booties that don't have a really high heel on them. And so here's what those booties look like. It's a dark gray color. It does have zippers on both sides. Has some little ruffled details on the booty. And I really like that the heel is not too high. I think that this is a good color that can go with a lot during the fall and winter months. So I'm really excited about that. They do have kind of like a rounded pointed toe. So those are cute. And so here's a look at my bundle. I have 2 cardigans and 2 tops. Let's get into it. All right, the first item is by Rainn, the Estefany lace detail split neck blouse in black. And so in my fix preview, I chose the booties and I chose a burgundy cardigan. So I asked my stylist to send some blouses to go with that cardigan, and she did choose this one. And so here's what that looks like. It has lots of really pretty fall colors. It has some like burnt orange, it has some pink, it has some tan, has a little bit of white in there. It does have the crochet detail on the front, and there's some on the back. So I think that's really pretty for fall. The next item is by Serein, the Katrina Ruffle detail blouse in black. And my stylist chose this top as well. And so here's this top. Again, it has some really pretty colors for fall. It has like a peachy color, a brown color, some white. It does have some ruffle detail up here at the top. It does have like a keyhole in the back. Here's an up close of the print. Very pretty. Next is a cardigan that my stylist chose. It's by Market and Spruce, the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan in brown. And so here's what that cardigan looks like. It's kind of like a golden brown. So I don't know that I would call this brown, but I do like the color. I think it's great for fall. It does have like a textured fabric here. Has pockets on both sides. It does have a split. So yeah, I like that color. I think that would be great for fall. And then this next cardigan is the one I chose for my fixed preview. It's by Ellie, the Olla Herringbone knit cardigan in purple. And so it's a little more purple than I thought it was. On the preview, it looked more burgundy. And so here's this cardigan. Like I said, it's more purple than I thought it was. I was hoping more for like a red burgundy, but I do like the color. It does have that herringbone detail in it. Pockets on the side. No slips on the side. I do wear a lot of cardigans because I'm a teacher and my classroom tends to get cold and hot. So I like to wear layers so I can put a cardigan on if my classroom is chilly, and then I can take it off if it gets a little bit warm. So both of these cardigans are going to pair nicely with those tops. I'm going to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items. And so on top, I have the Rainn Estefany lace detail split neck blouse in black. And then I also have on the booties by Mia, the Mable Ruffle bootie in dark gray. So let's start with the top. I do like the lace detail here at the top, and it goes up on the shoulders here. It's also on the back in the middle. I love the colors in the print. It's got nice fall colors. You've got some burnt orange, some pink, some brown, some white. So I do think this is a great top for me to wear to work and put a cardigan over top of it. Let me try on that purple cardigan real quick with this. All right, here's that dark purple cardigan. It's by Ellie, the Olla Herringbone knit cardigan. And so this cardigan is lightweight. It is like a dark purple. Like I said, I thought it was more burgundy, but I do like this dark purple. Even though this top doesn't have purple in it like this, I do think this pairs nicely with it. Here's an up close look of the herringbone detail. It does come down straight in the front. The pockets are on the side. No slips, and the cardigan is a little bit longer, which is nice. So what do you guys think about these two items together? Do you like the blouse with the dark purple cardigan? I think I do. As far as the booties, I really love the heel height. It is like a suede bootie with some ruffle detail. It does have working zippers on the inside and on the outside. I'll try to get up close here in just a little bit. Let me go ahead and change into the other top and cardigan, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next blouse, and this is by Serein, the Katrina ruffle detail blouse in black. And so again, this blouse has some really pretty colors for fall. It has some like browns and some peaches and some white. Very pretty. It does have a ruffle detail up here at the top and some flutter sleeves. It's hard to see with the black background here. The blouse does have some slips on the side, and it does come a little bit longer in the back. And I think she wanted me to pair that gold cardigan with this top. So let me try that on real quick. And so here's this cardigan. This one is by Market and Spruce, the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan, and it says it's in brown, but I think this is more of like a mustard brown. I do like this color. I don't have a cardigan this color. But what do you guys think about this top with this cardigan? This cardigan is a little bit longer as well, but it does have some slips on the side. Here's an up close of the texture. I would say both cardigans are a light to medium weight cardigan. And I do think the colors are perfect for this time of year. All right, I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer to the booties, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is your up close view of the booties. They are dark gray, they are suede. They do have a stacked shorter heel on them. I do like that the heel is not too high for me. I do think that they are a cute little bootie that will pair nicely with a lot of outfits during this time of year. All right, guys, I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And so I think my stylist did a really good job. I chose 2 items for my fixed preview, and she went in and chose 3 items that I really like to add to those 2. So first item on the list is by Serein, the Katrina ruffle detail blouse in black, and the cost of this is $40. Here's an up close of that print. I do think it has really pretty fall colors. I think it paired nicely with that kind of gold brown cardigan. So you guys tell me what you think. Next is the top by Rainn, the Estefany lace detail split neck blouse in black, and the cost of this one is $64. So it's one of the pricier items in the box. And that was this blouse right here. Again, I think the colors are really pretty for fall. I think it paired nicely with the dark purple cardigan, even though purple is not a main color in the blouse. I think they go nicely together. The next item on the list is by Love Ellie, the Olla herringbone knit cardigan in purple, and the cost of this is $48. And here's an up close of the herringbone detail. I like the color, even though it wasn't exactly the color I was looking for. I do think it'll go nicely with some of the blouses that I have in my closet. Then I have by Market and Spruce the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan in brown, and the cost of this is $48. And you can see the color right there. It's not really a true brown color, so I'd say this is like a mustard brown. But I do like the color, and I think it's great for fall. And lastly, we have the booties by Mia, the Mable Ruffle bootie in dark gray, and they are $69. So this is the priciest item in the box. It is very hard for me to find booties that don't have a tall heel. I'm 5'10" already, so I don't want a giant heel on my booties. So I think this one is gonna be a nice bootie for me to wear in fall and winter. I think it's gonna pair nicely with pants or dresses. Cute bootie. And so my stylist pick subtotal is $269, but if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which will take off $67.25. My order subtotal is $201.75. Shipping is free, and I don't have any credit that I'm working with right now, so the final total will be $201.75, which I don't think is too bad considering I have a pair of booties in the box. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm leaning towards keeping all 5 items. All of these items will get a lot of use. I'm really excited about the booties having the shorter heel, but you guys tell me what you think. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. This link is good for first-time women or men customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically that link will give you $25, which means it's going to waive your styling fee, and then you'll get your box shipped to you for free. You'll try the things on and you'll decide what you want and what you don't want. And then you'll have $25 to put towards anything that you decide to keep. I love the convenience of Stitch Fix. I love that I don't have to go out shopping in the malls and trying things on in the dressing rooms and things like that. So if you don't enjoy shopping like I don't enjoy shopping in the stores, then Stitch Fix may be a good option for you. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. Until next time, bye, guys.